Welcome to Riverus Search Map for Income Tax. In this video, we will see how to use the simple search feature of Riverus and also use various tools at hand to narrow down on the search results. Let's start with a simple search query. As you start typing, you will see a few search suggestions. You can click on the search suggestion to enter it in the text box, and then let's click the search button. We are using depreciation on goodwill for this video. So depreciation on goodwill has given us about 1300 odd results. The search results page is quite power packed and offers you many different tools to narrow your results. Let's take a look at the filters on the left. So the forum filter is right on the top. There is year of decision, in favor of, sections, subjects, case status, appeal filed by, judges, assessment year, and duration. Now, taking a look at the forum filter, you see that at the ITAT level there are 1000 plus cases, at the High Court level there are 270 plus cases, and this list can be expanded and contracted. So, if you apply the Gujarat High Court filter, you can see that the Gujarat High Court filter has been applied and the results have come down to 37. It's very easy to remove this filter as well. So you could just click on the cross and the number of results go back to your original results. Similarly, you can apply, say, the Supreme Court filter. At the Supreme Court level, at the apex court level, you see that depreciation goodwill has about 30 results. Again, I'm going to remove this. Let's look at some of the other filters that are here. So there is year of decision. This can be sorted. So you could go in the reverse order. Then there is in favor of, essentially that which talks about the case outcome. So you can see there are cases having different outcome and you can filter by that. There is the section filter, which is very important. If you know the section that you're looking for, you can just apply the filter here. And even this has got multiple levels. So for example, if you see section 32 has subsections 32.1, 32.2, etc. And to apply this, you can just also type and search. So for example, I type 234B and then the results get shortened to about 127. So depreciation on goodwill for section 234B has about 127 results. I'm going to remove this for now. After sections, you see subjects. The filter can be similarly applied. There is a case status filter, which is very interesting. Let's see what happens when you apply. When you apply this filter, you see all the cases that are in appeal at a higher court. So these are all, on the left you see only forum is ITAT. So essentially all these are ITAT cases which are now in appeal at a higher court level. Right, so I'm going to remove this filter for now. Let's keep going down. What else is there? There's the appeal filed by, there's also judges. So essentially, if you're looking at cases for a particular judge, you can also select over here. You see everything here. You can search for the judge and apply it. Similarly, there is the assessment here and the duration of the case. Let's try some of the other options that will enhance your research experience. There are 3 sorting mechanisms. By default, all text searches are sorted by relevance. Let's try the latest sorting mechanism and see what it gives. You see the cases which are on the top are the latest cases. This was recorded on 23rd November and you see 21st November case on the top. So the database is updated fairly regularly. In fact, it's updated every day. And as you see, the cases are 20th November, 31st October, etc. Now let's try the popularity sort. The popularity sort displays the most cited cases on the top. Now you probably understand why this feature is important, because most of the cases that come here have a good precedential value. And if your search query is nuanced enough, most of the cases here will be of a lot of value to you. All right. All right, now let's try a feature that we call search within search. In this, you just have to click the search button on top. Essentially, what we are doing is trying to find out information for within the search results. And this is not a filter really, but no, it's a free form text search. So when you click on the search button, you get a search box. You type your search query inside this box. We are searching for goodwill arising on amalgamation in this case, and we have put it in inverted quotes. This is going to give us precise text matches. Once we click on search, the search result should come down. So as you see, there are now you're seeing 38 results for depreciation on goodwill and goodwill arising on amalgamation. There are distinct ways you can search and filter. One is the filtering mechanism on the left, which has got many different types of filters. Another is the sorting mechanism, which will help you find relevant, latest and popular cases. And third and final, there's the search within search option. I hope this video has given you a good idea of how searching and filtering works. Do try this out with your own search queries.